budgetary allocation for orange growers. Jamia Millia remains tense over CAA. Many students decide to leave for their homes. And exemptions given under ILP are unconstitutional, claims Chakma body. Good evening, you're watching Times of Manipur television at 6:30. I'm Loving with the news in details. The 16th State Level Orange Festival 2019 cum centenary celebration of Tamenglong District Administration kicked off today at Apollo Ground, Tamenglong District Headquarters. Chief Minister N. Biren, Chief Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, PHED Minister L. Dikho, Sekmai MLA H. Dingo, along with district administration officials and thousands of people came to attend the grand opening event. As many as 380 orange stalls and 75 other stalls were displayed during the festival. Chief Minister N. Biren also inspected an under-construction water reservoir taken up by Keystone Company under PHED Tamenglong at Duithan Luang Carpentry. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Biren said that Tamenglong orange is known worldwide for its quality and taste and assured that incentives for orange growers of the district will increase to Rs 20,000 by next year from the present amount of Rs 10,000. Biren also assured that a separate budgetary allocation will be made in consultation with his cabinet ministers for orange growers and Orange Festival in order to provide assistance to the growers. He further assured that orange produced in Tamenglong district will not be let off in waste, saying that Horticulture Department will purchase all the excess quantity of oranges produced by growers. Stressing on the development works of his government, Biren also instructed the NHIDCL to speed up the ongoing road construction works from Tamenglong District Headquarters to Khongsang before the next rainy season, and also urged the Keystone Company to complete the water reservoir project at Duithan Luang by May 2020. Talking about the prospects of tourism, Biren also said that Manipur has a vast opportunity with many festivals like the Orange Festival in Tamenglong, Chili Festival in Ukhrul, and Ginger Festival of Perzol, which need proper channelization to improve the products. CMHD cards for 50 beneficiaries were also distributed by Chief Minister Biren during the function. Winner of the Orange Growers Contest 2019, along with a cash prize of Rs 2 lakh, was also awarded to the winner, Tasinang Gangmei of Tabangluang Village.
Orange grower of the Tamenglong, and the whatever quantity remains after locally consumption, the horticulture department will process it, and after value added, we will export it to the outside.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, third line, sir.
A group of Jamia Millia students today stood shirtless in the bone-chilling cold outside the university gates to protest the police action against their colleagues a day earlier. Slogans of Inquilab Zindabad rent the air as the group of around 10 students, accompanied by their fellow colleagues, took out a small march demanding a CBI inquiry into the police brutality. The situation in Jamia Millia Islamia, which witnessed protests against the amended Citizenship Act, remained tense this morning, and many students decided to leave for their homes. The university had turned into a battlefield on Sunday as police entered the campus and also used force following the protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act, which led to violence and arson. According to sources, the situation continues to be tense without any women students preferring to leave the campus for their homes. Many students feel they are not safe even inside the campus. The varsity had declared winter vacation from Saturday till January 5 and even postponed the exams.
The police ने यह थिंगाई रहा हो दबो जामिया की community ना हनबल इतना protest संगठन दोनों हौजिक चत्थरी CA की मायोक्ता अदो dams ना सु हनबल इतना चत्थरक लिबा खोंजंग सिंगे मनुंग चन्ना जंतर मंतर अदो जामिया की दसु अदो मफम क्या अदो चत्थरी बा protest की मपुंग फाब protest समा की दमकता ऐकोई सु मायोक्ता CA की मायोक्ता संगठन जरीबा protest सिदा Dance Saruk Yari, Aduga, Manipur, Ladiva, Natraga, India, Atama Panda Lady Sings, Saruk Mapung Pana Yabina, Apil Tozeri.
A group of Jamia Millia students today stood shirtless in the bone-chilling cold outside the university gates to protest the police action against their colleagues a day earlier. Slogans of Inqilab Zindabad rent the air as a group of around 10 students, accompanied by their fellow colleagues, took out a small march demanding a CBI inquiry into the police brutality. The situation in Jamia Millia Islamia, which witnessed protests against the amended Citizenship Act, remained tense this morning, and many students decided to leave for their homes. The university had turned into a battlefield on Sunday as police entered the campus and also used force following protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act, which led to violence and arson. According to sources, the situation continues to be tense without any women students preferring to leave the campus for their homes. Many students feel they are not safe inside the campus. The varsity had declared winter vacation from Saturday till January 5 and even postponed the exams. Chakmas to challenge constitutional validity of exemptions given to IOP implemented states. The All India Chakma Social Forum, AICSF, has said that the Chakmas will challenge the constitutional validity of the amended Citizenship Act 2019, including exemptions given to IOP states. The exemptions given are unconstitutional as the Supreme Court of India in the case of the National Human Rights Commission versus State of Arunachal Pradesh and ANR on the Chakmas of Arunachal Pradesh held that inner line regulation does not apply for submitting citizenship applications, it said in a statement. The review petition in the case was dismissed by the court and the judgment has become the law of the land, said AICSF advisor Suhas Chakma. There is no provision in the constitution to exempt certain states from the Citizenship Act, and India's laws did not apply only to erstwhile Jammu and Kashmir, as it has separate constitutional provision under Article 35A and Article 370 of the Constitution, which were repealed on 5th August 2019, the press release read. As per the schedule fixed by the Election Commission of India, the integrated draft photo electoral rolls of all 60 assembly constituencies of Manipur have been published today by the concerned electoral registration officers. According to the press release from Chief Electoral Officer Manipur, general electors and representatives of political parties may verify the draft photo electoral rolls at the offices of the electoral registration offices and with all the booth level officers. They can also visit the Chief Electoral Officer Manipur website www.ceomanipur.nic.in. We have a short commercial break now. Coming up next, Manipur government observes Vijay Divas.
Government ki thaba ma soina phangba yaragani ICS coaching center na 100% job phangnaba gi damakta guarantee pidun lagli India ki oina sarkar ki thaba khwaidagi masing ena phangaleba ICS coaching center Imphal da sohanagan ICS ki thoidoba officer sing di course amakha ki preparation tobiraga tongan ba department sing gi haibadi banking railway post office home teaching defense court haibu sing asida thabak line phangalagani ICS ki teaching method na Minute Mari Natraga Manga Sangadaba question Singbu, second Ahum Natraga Mari the source of Bangamale. In Father Lariba, ICS Coaching Center to the boarding Kudong Chavu Tamzari. For details, please contact ICS Coaching Center Imphal kasam thong hodam lairak
khurumjari lamjingba finance na makal khuding maki gari sing haibadi 2 wheelers 4 wheelers commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment sing ba loan pisari
documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani
amadi adom ge achin ba thu bagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khuding maki gari ke asu bandan lawzari Christmas ke oiba khadamba offer su pisari
akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbira u lamjingba finance nagamapa rims road opposite Nityananda temple natragana
lamjingba finance uripok hawam diwan lekai
akhoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro
Riamang ramda umikyo ikon goy buni
Welcome back after the break. The government of Manipur today observed Vijay Diwas at the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Banquet Hall today. Chief Minister N. Biren and Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar shared the dais on the occasion. Vijay Diwas marks the anniversary of India's victory over Pakistan in the 1971 war. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren stressed on the importance of education and urged one and all to maintain a pure academic atmosphere in both college and school for betterment of the society.
Bharat ki lamina Pakistan lamibu maithibu piduna matandagi is Pakistan maning tambalebak Bangladesh oina semki thogdo adu ningsingduna amadi lanpham aduda thawai kat khaba Bharat ki lami simbu ikai khuno utpo oina thoram asi pangthoklibe thokse khara stringent le bukhar togdaga de koi education the base over education na koi future ne education na koi human resource na koi amatangai ba potnina masi kalam dragadi akhoi hayeng tungi mirol na akhoi dane tin sitkani totally academic atmosphere ma university the create on bang thokse similarly college in the school is the su adumaina khoina kitang tawragadi ko akhoi gi future se akhoi generation je akhoi thamam ngangmani generation thamam mena level ngan thamam gi doni taxi driver not who will rule the state, who will run the state. State is the cook labor academically modern can also say the Kamaito was alive who would give. Aku madu put over the Mikam like gave. I have spoken the Mikam Manipur. Masia we boy out of my Quimam sang the Pimining. I don't know honorable minister sing, honorable MLA sing, I do bureaucrat officer sing. Aku yang manasin.
Chief Minister also said that media is a strong tool which plays a vital role in a society and urged the media persons to guide the government and public.
Media se government was to guide you, the public was to guide you. Madam, the media city Karinovo, city schools, young Kanba. Pichilgi mayam se loin nahi nera matung dega adugi state to the adugi country to the sumaita we akhoi the seat of we are the guys media gi bagi lakhada the opinion trainer suggestion when editorial da headline da adu taraka the public ki opinion si groom torga mold torga punana ba sakhina ba the government se me government is maita wine adu da de maita hui akhoi ne smaita hu kai gino ga hai bagi adom da media is in now.
Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joykumar said that Vijay Diwas is celebrated to mark the anniversary of India's victory over Pakistan in the 1971 war, and tributes are paid to the martyrs who laid down their lives for the nation.
भारत की लामिना पाकिस्तान लामीबू माइथीबू पीदुना मतंदगी इस पाकिस्तान मनिंग तंबलेबाग बांग्लादेश ओइना सेमखी थोगदो अदु निंगसिंगदुना अमदि लानफम अदुदा थवाई कटखबा भारत की लामीसिंबू इकाय खुनो उत्पो ओइना थोरम असि पांगथोकलिबनी विजय दिवस की आइफब निमित असिदा नसी अखोय पुनमकना अचेत फिरेप लौदुना जाति सिबू सेमगतनबा नहोनो वासक लौरसी.
Angry volunteers of Northeast Forum for International Solidarity today staged a protest in front of Chief Minister's bungalow, Imphal, expressing resentment over the alleged negligence by the government with regard to anti-CAA protests. They were driven away by cops up to TG Higher Secondary School, Imphal.
Manungda jeda lai buka cham manare aduna akhoi uji jeda lai jarage haiduna akhoi surrender to wala abani CM da akhoi phage chalo ke namina nakhoi ji yara yare da
Chief Engineer of Manipur Tribal Development Corporation Limited, Laishram Brojendra Singh, has said that the new building of Moray College Science Block will be completed by March 2020. He said this during an inspection visit at the college yesterday. He was accompanied by officials of the corporation. The building is constructed under the sponsorship of the Northeast Council. Talking to media persons, Brojendra further said that due to some unavoidable circumstances, the completion of the building has been delayed. However, the construction of Science Block building will be completed by March 2020, he said.
More than 6 months, health program matam khar le inisina si slow down to bagida adu ko na revoke toraga hojiki mamangi August tha dai dagi revoke tok ta ngai ba aduna within this kano sinda akhoi tha taruk tares da loina pandam thamba ko nisle.
On the other hand, principal of the college W. Vaipay said Moray College is one of the important colleges in the border town Moray of Tengnopal district. Students from neighboring country Myanmar are continuously coming for studies in the college. However, due to lack of infrastructure and science laboratories, the college has been facing some difficulties. Once the science block building is completed, there will be a lot of benefits for the college and Myanmar students as well, the principal added.
Infrastructure attraction sinasu Burma side ki angang singbu attraction hina pigani ading mathakta sar moregi student gi satra singge knowledge asu hina hengani.
State Health Society, Medical Directorate Manipur and Regional Institute of Medical Sciences today began a 3-day training program on geriatric medicine for doctors at the State Family Welfare Training Center, Lamphilpad. Additional Director, Public Health, Medical Directorate, Dr. L.R.K. Singh, Additional Director, Health Services, MC Government of Manipur, Dr. P. Shamsundar Singh, Dean of RIMS, A.K. Brogan Singh, HOD Psychiatry, RIMS, Dr. R.K. Lenin and Secretary of Palliative Care Society, MPhal, Dr. S. Jugindro, and Associate Professor of Medicine Department, Jenims, Dr. Lokeshwar attended the program. Dr. Lokeshwar, speaking during the training program, Dr. L.R.K. Singh said that elders need more care to help them cope with the increase in psychological, physiological, and psychosocial changes. He asserted that a role of a doctor is not only to treat the patients, but also to treat them as family members.
Even with 80 years, some are here with good health, and good health in the sense that with psychological health. So it is not the age, but the psychological as well as the physiological factor is to be considered.
The third phase of training program for the examiners of High School Leaving Certificate Examination HSLC 2020 was conducted today. The training program has 4 phases. The training, which began from December 9, will continue till December 21. The training provides techniques of setting balanced questions papers and highlights and finds solutions for problems encountered during evaluation. 43 Assam Rifles Moray today organized a painting competition in connection with Swachh Bharat mission at St. George's High School. Additional Superintendent of Police Tengnopal K.H. Robinson, Major Ankit Sharma of 43 Assam Rifles and Principal of St. George School Moray, Ludra Shami attended the program. Students from different classes participated in the competition. Later, prizes were distributed to the winners. Another short commercial break now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakachel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawgi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changnai na coaching tohonba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5552.
Welcome back. The National Investigation Agency has labelled arrested peasant leader Akhil Gogoi as an overground worker for the proscribed CPI. A media report said today, Krishak Mukti Sangram Samiti, Chief Gogoi has been booked by the NIA on charges of sedition and under provisions of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. KMSS is one of the key organizations spearheading protests in Assam against this Citizenship Amendment Act. The FIR lodged by NIA on Saturday alleged that Gogoi and several others, through their visible representation and spoken words, have abated, incited hatred and caused disaffection towards the government, accusing him of being involved in terrorist activities. Manipur Forest Department today conducted verification drive to confirm whether residents of Lantungching under Langol in Imphal are violating the Indian Forest Act 2017 and Manipur Forest Rules 1971. According to the Act, only the income source of the people from scheduled tribe community must be dependent on the forest resources, and that no one can reside in the reserve forest area except those people who come to settle there before December 13, 2005. It also states that in case of non-ST people who had attained the age of 75 before December 13, 2005 are not allowed to live in the reserve forest area. The verification drive will be continued at Sadar East. The drive was led by Divisional Forest Officer Central R.K. Amajid.
mayamna claim pikat pirakpasi chumbara number 1 da akoigi moina pikat piriba claim si 13 December 2005 ki mamang da lairabani haibagi claim documenting haitare aduga ani subodana akoina mu verify tawjadoise haibiriba claim se koigi bona fide livelihood needs ki damakta masagi koi individual scheduled tribes sing se magi hingnaba pambai gi damakta forest dependent oibra haibadugi koina tawjabani forest department na sigi process is athajaba loiraba matungda koi khun mayam leiri manga taruk hujik phokta wali haitare hujik phokta koi ahum khatang loisanjaba ngame.
Manipur Police Constable Male 2013 batch today warned of democratic form of agitations if the Manipur government does not recruit the candidates who are in the waiting list of the Manipur Constable Recruitment 2013 by December 25. Namayrakpam Suraj, one of the candidates, while talking to media at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, accused of the state government of damaging the career of the candidates who are in the waiting list. Suraj said that they will undertake a series of democratic protests if the government does not enlist the candidates in the state police at the earliest.
13 police constable waiting list ki di sahi ama pharaba phawba approve tobidana thamba haibasi yamna laibak thibani haukiba Manipur Police Department gi oiba waiting list khodimak matang matam sana laukat kiva ngaktani madam aduna candidate amadi parents singi amato oiba warep laujaraga phongdoksari madudi lagliba tang kumanga December 2019 phawbugi manungda 2013 police constable waiting list candidate singbu approve tawbiu haina Manipur lenga ki puning chingsinjari tang kumanga December 2019 phawbugi manungda approve tawbida ba tarabadi akhoi ligen gi oiba kari leige haibadu makhatana khongjang changsingani.
Islamic Cultural Educational Development Association ICEDA Kwakta say that Nimpu Chabi Bridge connecting Tera Khongsangbi and Kwakta Kuman, which leads to Kebu Lamjau National Park, has been caved in, causing serious hardships to the people in the area. Association Secretary Haji Ahmed Khan drew the attention of the concerned authority to repair the bridge at the earliest. He mentioned that the bridge also provides a vital shortcut through Itai village to Moray.
Hapta ani muki mamang da saru purag lakpa ekogi truck amana samgeba matam da thonga sinin train matung da koi social media amadi mari le bai bag sing da paw pira ka famasi han jakhrabani adubu moine la amatung da ikoi dana afaba mong amade koi sarna ba tawgi habe ki thajaba piramani adubu hoji phoba department mai kai da amona la ka famasi ing san bi fam da leite maramaduna mari le bai bag amadi manipur gi thaupu biriba singna hariba phonga siwa thom tam meng san bira kan da kokta parjagi adugumba afaba phonga moi hanbiyo haibado bibak singgi puning singjan.
Now let's take a look at the sports news. Cricket World Cup winner Ben Stokes ended a sensational 2019 by claiming the BBC's Sports Personality of the Year prize. He promptly thanked those who had helped him through 2018 to forget Stokes' performances in the World Cup final, which England won on an unprecedented boundary countback against New Zealand, and the third Ashes Test helped him seal the public vote for the award, ahead of six-time Formula One world champion Lewis Hamilton and world 200-meter champion Dina Asher-Smith at Sunday's ceremony in Aberdeen. In 2018, Stokes was cleared of freight charges following an incident outside a Bristol nightclub in September of the previous year. Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Minister Biren assures separate budgetary allocation for orange growers. Jamia Millia remains tense over CAA. Many students decide to leave for their homes. And exemptions given under IOP are Unconstitutional claims both Chakma body. That's the end of the bulletin for the news at 6:30. Thank you for watching.